Don't always make braised pork ribs when you buy them. Try this simple steamed pork ribs with fermented black bean sauce instead. You'll learn it in just a minute. First, prepare some pork ribs. Add a spoonful of flour. Add some water. Wash away the blood from the ribs. Then, in an empty bowl, add a spoonful of minced garlic, minced ginger and fermented black beans. Pour hot oil over it. Half a spoonful of soy sauce, a bit of oyster sauce and some sugar. Mix it all together. Everyone, I'm teaching recipes with care every day. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Next, pour the sauce over the ribs. Add a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix well so everything is coated evenly. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. Cut the dried bean curd sticks into small pieces. Soak them in water until they look like this. Place the soaked bean curd sticks on the bottom of a plate. Lay the marinated ribs on top. Once the water boils, steam on high heat for 20 minutes. That's it. These steamed ribs with black bean sauce are tender and flavorful. Even the kid next door was drooling over them. Once you master this recipe, everyone will be calling you a top chef. Save this recipe and try it out now.